Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're with the celica again. Unfortunately it's raining, but yeah, we still have to do some work. So we're at a totally different location than we were last time. Unfortunately we can't take out the engine on the street for a couple of reasons, and I think you can figure out why yourself. But so yeah, we've got a location where we can actually take the engine out. So we're going to do minor work today. We'll be back tomorrow to actually take the engine out. We have to do some preparation today, so we're going to do that. And actually did some work myself last week. I hope I still have the video. I just deleted all my video footage. I'm such an idiot. Okay, so I don't have any footage of that anymore. I did do some stuff in the car already, which you'll see in a minute probably. But yeah, we're going to do some preparation today, and hopefully we will get the engine out tomorrow, which will be in the same video for you guys, so stay tuned. And I'm going to go and start working on it because it's still raining and I want to get shit done and not just get wet for nothing. So So we took some stuff out. What we're going to do now is we're going to try to take all the miscellaneous stuff on the sides. My hand's not in view. All this miscellaneous stuff, we're going to try and take that out. And after that we'll remove the engine mounts down below. There's 4 of them actually, 1 in the back, 1 in the front and 2 on the sides. So yeah, we'll hopefully make it work and we'll get it out, and if not, well, I guess no more series. Okay guys, so we didn't get that far today, unfortunately. We only had 2 hours or something like that, but we did get some stuff loose, and tomorrow we're actually going to take the entire engine out, so that's going to be awesome. I'll try to get some friends to help me tomorrow. I'm not quite sure if we're going to get it out, but I hope we do get it out, because I kind of want to start working on the inside, because that's going to get painted in a few days, so it has to be out. But yeah, I'll be back tomorrow, and hopefully it won't rain, and hopefully we will get the engine out. So good morning guys, welcome back to the second day. We're inside right now because it's pouring rain outside, but the celica's inside. Unfortunately, on the way towing it in, we broke the side skirts and we broke one of the side screens, but we're gonna fix that, no worries. But yeah, a friend of mine is also here. He's gonna help out. He doesn't like YouTube that much, unfortunately, so you won't be seeing him too much in the video, but huge thanks to you if you're watching. But yeah, so we're just gonna try to get the side skirts off first, and after that we're gonna try to lift the car back up again, so we can get the engine out. So should be a couple of hours work still, but we're getting there, we're getting there. see, we did most of the work already. We actually got some of the mounts loose already, and we're going to try to take it out now. So hopefully everything goes according to plan. If not, there won't be a celica anymore. So wish us luck, wish us luck. Alright guys, so the engine is out. Took a bit, but we got it. As you can see, it's kind of empty in here now. So we're going to lower the car and we're going to try to roll it outside again to where it was yesterday. And then we're going to pack everything up, cover the engine, and I think that will be it for today. So there's still some footage, but it's almost over, almost over. And then it's time for food, because we're getting hungry. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm outside. The celica is back in its original place. Yeah, I'm going to end the video here. So if you liked the video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe down below. Also make sure to press the bell notification icon thingy next to the subscribe button to be notified every Monday when I upload a new video. But yeah guys, as I said, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Also to Jeffrey behind me. He's going to upload a small series about the celica as well. So yeah, see you in the next one. Bye!